Okay, well, we're having lots of fun today. I'm at my friend's place. She's got a pump here. I was pumping out her cistern. Well, hasn't been pumping anything for a long time. One, she hasn't lived here for a while, and two, it's just all gunked up. It's gross. So it's getting power and everything, but it's fried. So I'm gonna have to call her and figure out what she wants to do. This thing is so gross. I hate working with septic crap. Well, unless I'm in an excavator. But yep, so I have to figure out what to do about that. This is why I never will do any septic that you have to have a pump with. Gravity feed everything and just be done with it. But unfortunately, where this house was built on a slope and there's a creek or a pond over here, it won't work. So the septic is somewhere over here, the tank, and then it pumps it from here up there to the drain field. So it's pretty freaking stupid. I hate it, but we'll see what we can do. Get her fixed up. Well, like I thought, it was definitely plugged up all the way. It was probably a good 6 or 8 inches up in here too, which is amazing. So we're going to set it up off the ground this time. Well, this time. This is the first time I'm doing it, so I'm going to set it up off the ground. Yeah, that's what was in there. It's like a clay mixed mud. Freaking just plugs it up, or it's poop. I don't know, but it's crazy. Well, we're going to get this over to the new pump, get her done. Just waiting for this thing to kick on when that float right there goes up. The other one is a high water, so should be any second. Well, probably a little more than that. The system they had in here before had like a separate high water and the kick-on float, like wired into whatever this is. I've never seen that before. So I'm hoping the way I did it, I wired it all into that, so I'm hoping it'll work. And we'll see once that kicks up high enough. Should be real soon. Come on, baby. Let's see how much water it takes out. It's about 2.5 feet from the bottom of that pump to the drain line. Should be kicking on pretty soon. If that thing has to be perfectly vertical or what, I don't know. Find out. Find out, I guess. It's got a lot of groundwater coming in there too. Come on. Better work. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Cool. Well, that makes me happy. That makes me happy. See when she kicks off. Nice. Cool. Well, I'm happy. My friend will be too. She have to pay somebody $800 to come fix this thing. Did it for $150.